Hi there, it's Mrs. Smith here. I'm here today to show you a little bit of how to do short division. These short division questions will be involving money as well, so it still shows the basics of short division, but they've got money involved, so there's pound signs and the point showing what the separation between the pounds and the pennies as well. So before I start, we are going to do a little bit of vocabulary about division. So here are the two different parts to your division question. You have the number that's going to be divided, which in this case is £2.60, and it's being divided by 2. So this number that's going to be getting divided, the £2.60, this is known as your dividend, and your number you're going to divide by is known as your divisor. Your dividend and your divisor. Now when you're doing short division, you lay it out like this. You have what we sometimes refer to as your bus stop. Underneath your bus stop, you put your dividend, £2.60. On the outside of your bus stop is where you're going to put your divisor, your 2. Now let's work through a short division question together. So here is the question, £2.60 divided by 2. It is involving money, and so when you're doing this with money, what you have to make sure is that everything is lined up, including your pound sign and including your decimal point, separating your pounds and your pennies. So the first thing I'm going to do is put my pound sign up above, right above where it was before. And now I'm doing 2 divided by 2. Well, there's only 1, so you write that above. You've then got your decimal point, so you have to write that directly above where it was. You've then got the number 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 2, 4, 6, that's 3 2's. And then 0 divided by 2 is 0. And there you have £2.60 divided by 2 equals £1.30. In this example we're about to do, you're going to have to do something called carrying it over. It's not going to divide quite as simply. So let's lay this out in our bus stop. I'm going to put my dividend, £9.27 underneath, and my divisor, 9 on the outside. Let's line everything up. My pound sign right above. 9 divided by 9 is 1. Bring my point up. Now 2 divided by 9 you cannot do. So you have to write 0. And you haven't used this 2, so you take it over into the next column. And this becomes 27. 9 into 27 is 3. And there you have it. £9.27 divided by 9 equals £1.03. Here's another more slightly challenging example. So again, we write our dividend underneath the bus stop, £73.71 in this case, divided by 3. So we have to put our pound sign above again, and this time we do 7 divided by 3. Let's do our 3 times table. 3 and then 6. It doesn't go into 7 exactly, it goes into 6. So we write 2 up here. There were 2 3's, but there's 1 left over. We only got to 6 and another 1 to make it 7. So we carry that over into the next column. Now we're doing 3 into 13. Let's just do our 3 times table again. 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, so I've got to 12. That means there's 4 3's in this. But again, there is 1 left over. So we only got to 12 and there's another 1 to get to 13. Don't forget to bring up your point from below. So we're now doing 3 into 17. It goes into 15, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, which is 5. And this time there are 2 left over. 15, 16, 17. There's another 2 between 15 and 17. And so now you've got 21. 3 into 21 is 7. Your 3 times table again. 3 times 7 is 21. So £73.71 divided by 3 is £24.57.